All right, Supercharged H22. This video is about how to take out that small belt right by the Supercharge. There's two belts on this, the small one and then the longer one. I'm not gonna do the longer one. I'm gonna show you guys how to take out the small one. All you need is the 13 mil, 10 mil combination wrench or a 10 mil socket. So I'm just gonna quickly show you how the overview of this setup here. This 13 mil right here is what it locks everything in place. So you have to loosen this up, and then this is the tension right there. This is where the tension goes. So when this two bolts are loose, and then we could unbolt this, and then there's a pivot point right here that would just rock and back and forth this bracket right here. And this is the pulley that tighten the bolt or loosen. Oh, sorry, this is the pulley that tighten the belt or loosen the belt. So it just kind of like a teeter-totter that would you know, like if you tighten this bolt, it would loosen the pulley, and then other way around, it will tighten the, sorry, not the pulley, the belt, and then it will tighten the belt this side. So that's pretty much how this thing look like. I'll show you how it's done. That one's different. This one is a 12. Okay, so when this thing is loose, it's gonna be easy to take it out. So there's a bracket right here where the bolts goes in, and then I'm gonna move the camera here. Okay, so you guys on the other side to get a good view of this setup. Now this is the tensioner bolt. That's tightened, I guess. So righty tight, lefty loosey. So now it's going up. You can see it's pretty easy. Some people, when they look at the setup, they get crazy about how it look. But if you think about it, it's not that bad. You get some ideas too online. So see, it's just a pivot point. I don't want to take the whole thing apart. Just want to slide the belt here, just like that. Okay, so you can see that this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 groove belt, and I got only like what, 1 2 3 4 5, and I've been searching so many times to get 6 groove. I believe this is like a 6 or 8-inch long belt. I can't remember. But I got this exactly the same belt here. Here's the part number. And there's a gate one here. Here's the part number. So 200, is that a millimeter? I think so. So this is all 5 grooves. 1 2 3 4 5. All 5 grooves. Same length. So I've been looking everywhere, and they don't make this 6 groove I'm looking for. They have like 6 groove, but it's probably like, you know, about 2 feet long. That's not what I want. So idea here is my idea here is what I'm gonna do is, I don't know if this is gonna work, but it's just an option. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, because this is 5, right? I'm gonna cut the 2 out. That makes it 3. And then I'm gonna cut this other belt 2 out to make it 3. So you put 2, 3 together, make it 6. So you put pretty much like 2 belts side by side here, so that you got more grip, more traction. So like you don't want to slip, you know, when you hit boost. So that's kind of like my idea. So I don't know, the main thing here is cut it straight, take out, peel off this 2 extra belt groove, peel it off, cut it, peel it off, and yeah, make it 3 and 3 on that one to make 6. But that's another video in the future. But for now, I'm just quickly showing you how to take out the belt. That's it. And yeah, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos on this H22 boosted supercharged Prelude.